To write a review in Google Maps. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your device or access it through a web browser. Search for the location you want to review, such as a restaurant, store, or hotel. Once you have found the location, click on it to open its information page. On the information page, you will see a section labeled Reviews. Click on this section to view existing reviews and to write your own. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account if you have not already done so. Signing in allows you to leave a review and also helps to ensure that your review is associated with your account. Next, click on the Write a Review button. This will open a text box where you can enter your review. When writing your review, be honest and descriptive. Mention specific details about your experience, such as the quality of service, the cleanliness of the location, or the taste of the food. Use the rating system to give the location a rating from 1 to 5 stars. With 1 star being the lowest and 5 stars being the highest, choose a rating that reflects your overall experience. You can also add photos to your review by clicking on the Add Photos button. Best practices for writing a review in Google Maps include being respectful and avoiding profanity or personal attacks. Keep your review concise and focused on your experience. Avoid including irrelevant information or promotional content. Finally, click on the Post button to submit your review. Your review will be visible to others and can help them make informed decisions about visiting the location. By following these steps and best practices, you can write a helpful and informative review in Google Maps.